historical sculptures, a giant carrot. It's gonna be rainy all day, I think. Lyndon!
That is big.
Look through the binoculars. What is that?
Last week on waldesailing, we arrived in Alert Bay and were happy that the rain let up and we were finally able to go to shore. The next morning, we made our way to Port Hardy, and the days of motoring and rain began to catch up with some of us. Hi! Hi! So we're heading into Port Hardy. We need to upload an episode. And we know where there's good Wi-Fi, so we're gonna do that. And
we didn't have to sail anywhere this morning, or motor, which was really nice.
It's been raining, weather's been a bit of a bummer, but that's, I think, just how it is up here. Next up we need to plan our Waldesailing Bar crossing, which is as we round the top of Vancouver Island. And that crossing is, there's just a lot of things to consider. We have to take into consider wind, tide, currents, and now we also will have ocean swell, which we have to consider. It is a little more of a, I guess, dangerous, but it's the one, like, whenever you talk to people, it's like, make sure you're safe around the Waldesailing Bar.
Yeah.
And we're a little early in the season, so I don't think the typical, what they call the Pacific high has set in, which causes very predictable weather through the summer months. So I checked the weather the other day and it looked like there was a lot of south wind predicted over the last little bit, which is not what we want. Anyways, into town. It stopped raining, so we better go. Is there anything you want to say?
I want to throw the garbage out. That's all I want to say. The sun's out, which is more than what could have been said for yesterday. But it's weird, it just like rains for like 5 minutes, like hard rain, and then nothing. And then rain, and then nothing. So I think it's just because it's so wide open, the weather like turns really fast here, so. Or that's our theory. But, I mean, there's blue skies. There's dark rain clouds, so. Look at the colors on there, hey? Really pretty. So we kind of re-provisioned yesterday. We got a few more groceries, and we did because there's a Save on here, which is a bit of a larger grocery store. So it's always better to stock up on those because the prices tend to be better. But even for a Save on, like, the prices seem really expensive. I feel like it's on the islands and like the further north we've gone and the more remote that it seems, the prices just go up and up. It's crazy. But I mean, not unexpected, but I think groceries have definitely been more expensive than we thought they would be.
Just kind of steady.
We just moved outside. We're gonna Skype with Lyndon's sister and hopefully see our niece and nephew.
Hi, Cece. Is that yummy? Is that yummy?
Sometimes you win and sometimes you lose, and sometimes it calls you right in the move. Come to my table, come to my bed.
Interesting historical sculptures, a giant carrot.
That giant carrot is a historic site, and it's called the Carrot Campaign. It symbolizes government road-building promises dangled in front of North Island settlers since 1897. It was aimed at making the government keep their promise to complete the island highway. From the sign, we can gather that the campaign was a success in the late 1970s. Port Hardy is the last major community along the northeast coast of Vancouver Island. With many amenities, it is an excellent place to do a last provision and stock up before crossing the bar and making your way out onto the west coast.
Yeah, when that sunshine comes out, it's just so nice. So we managed to spend all afternoon in town, mostly at the coffee shop using their internet. And we're just gonna head back for some supper. It's not raining, which has been nice. It's starting to rain. As I was saying it. It's not raining. Oh, wait.
Taking me down.
So we've been in the boat all day. It's been windy all day. It was forecasted to blow 30 to 40 knots today, and I am sure it has been for the majority of the day. Yeah, so we're waiting for this wind to go. It's coming from the southeast as well, which we want it to be coming from the north before we make our next move. So who knows how long we'll be here for. But we've just had the fire pumping all day, keeping it warm. Been working on episodes, reading, playing games, and not doing much else, so. We would go to shore, but I don't know if we'd make it back. Yeah. It's like insanely windy out there today.
What?
I'm just looking at everything moving.
Is stuff moving?
Is stuff moving?
I can't tell anymore.
I know, everything is, it's rocking so much. Gotta close that cabinet. Turn these fans off. It's because the blankets are in there still. Stop.
Just getting ready for some ribs.
Ooh, ribs would be good.
Just kidding. Getting my hair buzzed.
Yeah. You're gonna buzz it all off?
Here we go.
Don't do it inside. Lyndon.
Did you see how close I was to my eyebrow?
Were you that close?
You weren't even concerned.
Are you sure you want to cut it all off?
Yes. I look good with a shaved head, right?
We'll find out. It's been a while.
Maybe it'll make me look really young again. Okay, let's do this.
I like it. Are you positive? Yes.
There's no going back. That was a lot of hair. Wowzers.
Man, that is a lot of gorgeous hair right there.
Yeah, people would pay good money to have hair like this.
I know, look at the color of it. It's so nice. So we're finally moving on today. The wind's slowed down a little bit, and it's also going to start switching to a northeasterly, I believe, from a south. I don't remember. It's switching from the south to the north, which is what we want to be able to cross the Nwidi Bar. So we're gonna go fill up with fuel, and then we're gonna head to Bull Harbour today. It's kind of rainy, it's overcast, which is a bit of a bummer, but oh well, the weather's opened up, except for the rain. This rain is a real bummer, and it looks like so rainy out there. It's gonna be rainy all day, I think. We just want the weather to be more consistent. Actually, consistently sunny. We're done with the rain. Look at all those fishing boats. Those are some crazy rigs.
The southwest corner of the bay is used by many commercial fishing boats throughout the year, and at peak season, this bay is crawling with heavy traffic.
You shut me out while I'm still inside. You know I love you and I have no doubt. The time is on our side.
Check this thing out.
Just a little daytime cruiser.
This boat is almost 1,000 feet long. It's 950 feet long.
Do you think they're struggling with humidity?
I could help you hold your demons down while you drive them out. If you want to, we can leave this town.
No wind was blowing as we set off to Bull Harbour, and the rain was coming down in buckets. The anticipation of the open ocean was really exciting, especially with some new to us wildlife sightings.
I think that's an otter on its back, or what is it? It looks big. Lyndon,
That is big.
look through the binoculars. What is that?
Are they taking out?
I don't know. Are they beavers?
No, those are sea otters.
Oh, they're so
We're
cute.
seeing river otters.
They're so cute.
I don't mind.
They're just chilling. So we've started being able to feel the swell, which is something that we've never actually experienced, like open ocean swell, because we're in a channel that's open to the Pacific. So it's crazy. It's cool.
We've been down this road before. We check for monsters by the door, and it makes you feel stuck inside a wheel. It slowly holds you in where you've never been, and I really feel stuck in the middle here. You can break my bones with your sticks.
Just dropped anchor in Bull Harbour, and it's just lovely here. It's just us and another boat. Well, there's two other boats. Oh, there's an. So this is native reserve, so you can't just go to shore. You have to have permission to go to shore. So we have to radio and ask, and if they allow us to come to shore, we are going to go to shore and look around, because right through there is just it's a little strip of land, and it's the Pacific, the open Pacific Ocean on the other side. So it'd be really cool to go across to that beach and see that and just take a look around here. Even though it's been rainy today,
I was saying to Lyndon, it's nice that like I only have 2 pairs of pants on rather than 3 or 4. And like, how many shirts? 3 shirts? No, 2 shirts and a coat today. Usually we're like layered up. So you haven't really needed that, which is nice. We know it's getting warmer, but the dampness has still been, it's just too fresh still. So we get a little bit blue when it's so damp out and, you know, not sunny. But anyway, we're so excited to be going out to the open ocean. It was so awesome to see to feel the swell today and just be this far north. It's very cool. So we're excited. Hey guys, we're so happy to have you follow us along on this journey. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and help us reach more people. Thanks to our patrons and welcome to our new ones. If you're looking for some more real-time updates from Lyndon and I, become a patron. Besides early access to episodes, you will also get bonus content and some other new perks we're adding. You are also welcome to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching, and as always, you guys are the best.